So after years of iterative updates, Sony is finally changing things up with their next Xperia flagship, the Sony Xperia 1 Mark VIII, which is set to launch sometime in mid-2026. And judging from the leaks so far, this phone is looking pretty incredible. First, it looks like Sony has taken the iconic rectangular Xperia look and just amped it up. Sharper edges, slimmer bezels, and an overall more refined aesthetic that's definitely grown on me. The display is said to be a 6.5-6.7-inch OLED LTPO panel with Bravia HDR remaster, sunlight mode, and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. So it should be bright, vivid, and really durable. And powering the Xperia 1 Mark VIII is Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, paired with at least 12 GB of RAM, UFS 4.0 storage, and Sony's vapor chamber cooling technology for sustained performance. Now this cooling tech is borrowed from Sony's gaming handheld, the PS5, and it's designed to keep the phone cool even under heavy workloads. In terms of cameras, Sony is doubling down on their tried and true formula. So we're getting a refined triple camera setup, a 48 megapixel main camera, a 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 12 megapixel periscope camera on the back. Now rumors are saying that we could see improved sensors, faster lenses, and alpha-grade processing to unlock pro-level shots. On top of that, Sony's known for their excellent image and video quality, and their color science is top-notch. So I'm definitely looking forward to testing out the cameras on this phone. The battery life is also looking solid with a 5000 mAh battery, 30-watt wired charging, and 15-watt wireless charging, plus Sony's adaptive battery care technology to keep the battery healthy over time. For audio, you still get those iconic dual front-facing speakers, a headphone jack, high RES audio, and 360 reality audio support. And if you're a fan of Sony's creator apps, they're all present like the video. Now other notable features include IP65, IP68 water resistance, PS5 remote play support, and Sony's Pro Creator apps. Now this phone really seems to be shaping up to be the ultimate content creator's phone with its cinema-grade display, powerful cameras, and unmatched audio. Of course, with that said, do keep in mind that this is still a work in progress. Things can and will change before the official release. But based on what we have so far, the Xperia 1 Mark VIII is looking very promising. But let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more Xperia coverage. But that's it for now. I'll catch you guys in the next one.